My family say that I look 20 years younger because I'm not hiding myself anymore. And I've just gone back to being the person I used to be. In fact, maybe I think my family might think I've got a bit too much confidence now. I was very conscious. I didn't want to smile. I used to do a lot of public speaking. And then as my teeth deteriorated, I did less and less. Well, I was very conscious of it. I always felt I had to excuse what had happened to my teeth. About 4 years ago, I suffered from malnutrition and lost a couple of teeth, which made it worse from the normal dental health that I had to start with. But I always felt I had to explain it to people. But you don't want to walk around making excuses to yourself, do you? I've been thinking about it and I've been looking and, you know, you hear about turkey teeth and everything. And then my husband said, no, you're not going abroad to have it done because if problems happen, you're too far away. Well, and to be quite honest, when I was researching it, I never found anybody that I thought I could put my trust in. Well, that's why I didn't go to the dentist, because they used to afraid the life out of me. So I'm not going to swap a dentist here for a dentist that can't speak my language. A lot of things gets, lost in translation, doesn't it? And then when I found 21D, so this is where I want to go. I feel comfortable with it. I came for my assessment and I was a bit concerned that they might not be able to do it. Well, I think it's everybody's worry because you hang your hat on it once you've made your mind up. And when they said I could, I was over the moon, more than happy just to pay the money and get it booked in. What a difference it's made to my life. I smile all the time now. I'm so pleased with that. I just can't stop. I smile all the time. And now I've got my finals done. They look even better. It's going to be non-stop photographs because my family won't stop doing it because they can't get over the difference in me. And we're going out with friends now, so I know that they'll be absolutely, because they've not seen me for about 3 months. So they've seen me with my temporary ones in, but we're going out to meet them now, and they're going to be absolutely blown away by it because it's so different.